Welcome to our deep dive into the remarkable history of the Internet. In this video, we're unraveling the incredible evolution of a technology that started as an ambitious experiment and became the backbone of modern civilization. It all began in the late 1960s with ARPANET, a groundbreaking military project designed to share information across long distances. But what started as a small network of connected computers soon spiraled into the worldwide digital ecosystem we depend on today. From revolutionizing communication and business to reshaping cultures and economies, the Internet's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. So let's explore how it all happened. Wide Web, the rise of social media, and the emergence of modern AI technologies. Understanding this evolution is crucial, as it not only showcases the rapid pace of technological advancements, but also sheds light on their profound societal impacts. By examining how the Internet has changed the way we communicate, work, and learn, we can better appreciate the tools we have at our fingertips today. So, buckle up as we embark on this engaging and informative journey through the history of the Internet, uncovering the innovations that have shaped our world and the challenges that lie ahead. The birth of ARPANET. The story of the Internet begins with ARPANET, a groundbreaking project developed in the late 1960s by the Advanced Research Projects Agency, or ARPA. The primary purpose of ARPANET was to create a network that could connect researchers and facilitate the sharing of information across various institutions. This was a revolutionary idea at the time, as it allowed scientists and engineers to collaborate more effectively, regardless of their physical locations. One of the key figures in this development was Leonard Kleinrock, whose pioneering work in packet switching laid the foundation for ARPANET's architecture. Packet switching allowed data to be broken into smaller packets, transmitted independently, and then reassembled at the destination, making communication more efficient and reliable. Kleinrock's theories were instrumental in enabling the first successful message transmission over ARPANET in 1969. In addition to Kleinrock, other innovators contributed to ARPANET's success, including Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn, who later developed the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, and Internet Protocol, IP. These technological innovations not only connected researchers but also set the stage for the expansive networks we rely on today, marking the beginning of a digital revolution that would change the world. The TCP/IP revolution. As the 1980s approached, the need for a standardized communication protocol became increasingly clear, leading to the adoption of TCP/IP, or Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. This revolutionary shift allowed different networks to communicate seamlessly, paving the way for the Internet as we know it today. Prior to TCP/IP, ARPANET used a variety of protocols that limited interoperability. With TCP/IP, data could be transmitted across diverse networks, creating a unified framework for global communication. Pivotal figures in this transition were Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn, who played crucial roles in developing these protocols. Their collaboration resulted in a robust and flexible system that could support various types of data and applications. Cerf and Kahn's work not only standardized communication, but also laid the groundwork for future innovations, enabling the Internet to expand rapidly. The implications of this shift were profound. By allowing different networks to connect and communicate, TCP/IP facilitated the growth of a global network of computers, transforming how information was shared and accessed. This newfound connectivity opened doors for businesses, education, and personal communication, ultimately leading to the interconnected world we live in today. The TCP/IP revolution. was a critical turning point in the evolution of the internet, setting the stage for its explosive growth in the years to come. The rise of the World Wide Web. In the early 1990s, a groundbreaking innovation emerged that would forever change the landscape of the internet: the World Wide Web. Invented by Tim Berners-Lee, the web was designed to facilitate information sharing among researchers and make data more accessible to everyone. Berners-Lee also developed hypertext markup language HTML, which provided a simple way to create and link documents, allowing users to navigate between different pages effortlessly. The introduction of the World Wide Web transformed how information was shared and accessed. No longer confined to academic institutions, the web democratized knowledge, enabling anyone with an internet connection to explore a vast array of topics. This shift not only empowered individuals but also revolutionized industries, leading to the rise of e-commerce, online education, and social media. A significant factor in the web's rapid adoption was the development of user-friendly web browsers like Mosaic. Launched in 1993, Mosaic provided a graphical interface that made it easy for users to navigate the web, view images, and access multimedia content. This enhanced user experience attracted millions of new users and set the stage for the explosive growth of the internet, making the World Wide Web an integral part of everyday life. The dot-com boom. The late 1990s witnessed an unprecedented surge in internet businesses, commonly referred to as the dot-com boom. This era saw the rise of iconic companies like Amazon and eBay, which revolutionized the way consumers shopped and conducted transactions online. Amazon began as an online bookstore but quickly expanded its offerings, while eBay introduced the concept of online auctions, connecting buyers and sellers in a new and exciting way. Several factors fueled the dot-com bubble during this period. The widespread adoption of personal computers and the internet, coupled with venture capital investments, created a fertile ground for startups. Entrepreneurs were eager to capitalize on the digital revolution, often prioritizing growth over profitability. The excitement surrounding new technologies led to inflated stock prices and a frenzy of initial public offerings, IPOs, as investors rushed to get a piece of the action. However, the bubble eventually burst in the early 2000s, leading to significant financial losses and the collapse of many dot-com companies. This crash served as a crucial lesson for future entrepreneurs. Sustainable business models and sound financial practices are essential for long-term success. The dot-com boom and its aftermath highlighted the importance of balancing innovation with fiscal responsibility in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Social media and user-generated content. The 2000s marked a significant turning point in the evolution of the internet with the emergence of social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. These platforms revolutionized communication, allowing users to connect, share, and engage with one another in ways that were previously unimaginable. Facebook, launched in 2004, transformed social interactions by enabling users to create profiles, share updates, and connect with friends and family across the globe. Meanwhile, YouTube, founded in 2005, democratized video content creation, allowing anyone to upload and share videos, leading to a new era of entertainment and information sharing. This shift towards user-generated content had profound societal implications. It empowered individuals to become content creators rather than mere consumers, fostering a culture of participation and collaboration. As people began sharing their thoughts, experiences, and creativity online, traditional media outlets faced increased competition, forcing them to adapt to this new landscape. Social media fundamentally changed the way we interact online, blurring the lines between personal and public communication. It facilitated real-time conversations and allowed for the rapid spread of information. But it also raised concerns about privacy, misinformation, and the impact of online interactions on mental health. Overall, the rise of social media has reshaped our digital lives, influencing how we connect and communicate in the modern world. The mobile internet revolution. The rise of mobile technology in the late 2000s initiated a revolution in internet usage, fundamentally altering how we access information and interact online. The introduction of smartphones, particularly the iPhone in 2007, marked a significant turning point. These devices combine powerful computing capabilities with user-friendly interfaces, making the internet more accessible than ever. Alongside smartphones, the proliferation of mobile apps transformed the way users engage with content, allowing for tailored experiences that cater to individual preferences and needs. As a result, there was a notable shift towards mobile-first internet experiences. Websites and services began prioritizing mobile optimization, recognizing that a growing number of users were accessing the internet primarily through their smartphones. This transition not only enhanced user experience, but also changed the landscape of digital marketing, with businesses focusing on mobile strategies to reach their audiences effectively. Mobile technology has also significantly influenced consumer behavior. Users now expect instant access to information, services, and products at their fingertips, leading to a rise in online shopping and real-time communication. This shift has created a more connected world, where consumers are empowered to make informed decisions quickly, ultimately reshaping industries and driving innovation in the digital marketplace. The mobile internet revolution has truly transformed our daily lives and interactions. The age of big data and AI. We are currently living in the age of big data and AI, where the vast amounts of data generated daily are reshaping industries and redefining how businesses operate. Data collection and analysis have become integral to decision-making processes, allowing companies to gain insights into consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. This transformation has led to more targeted marketing strategies, improved product development, and enhanced operational efficiencies across various sectors, from healthcare to finance. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in enhancing user experiences online. AI algorithms analyze user data to provide personalized recommendations, streamline customer service through chatbots, and optimize content delivery. This level of personalization not only improves user satisfaction, but also fosters deeper engagement with brands and services. However, the rise of big data and AI also brings ethical considerations, particularly surrounding data privacy. As companies collect and analyze more personal information, concerns about how this data is used and protected have intensified. Issues such as consent, transparency, and potential biases in AI algorithms raise important questions about accountability and trust. As we navigate this complex landscape, it is crucial to balance innovation with ethical responsibility, ensuring that advancements in technology benefit society as a whole, while safeguarding individual lives. Future trends and challenges. As we look ahead, the future of the internet is poised for significant transformation, driven by emerging technologies like 5G and the Internet of Things, IoT. The rollout of 5G networks promises faster speeds and lower latency, enabling seamless connectivity for a multitude of devices. This advancement will enhance everything from smart cities to autonomous vehicles, creating a more interconnected world. Meanwhile, IoT continues to expand, with everyday objects becoming smart and capable of communicating with one another, further integrating technology into our daily lives. However, this rapid evolution brings potential challenges that we must address. Cybersecurity remains a critical concern, as increased connectivity opens the door to more sophisticated cyber threats. Protecting sensitive data and ensuring the security of connected devices will be paramount in maintaining user trust and safety. Additionally, the digital divide poses a significant issue, as not everyone has equal access to high-speed internet and advanced technologies. This disparity can exacerbate existing inequalities and hinder opportunities for those in underserved communities. As we embrace these future trends, it is essential for viewers to think critically about the implications of increased connectivity. By considering both the opportunities and challenges ahead, we can work towards a more inclusive and secure digital future for all. Conclusion. In this video, we've journeyed through the remarkable evolution of the internet, from its origins with ARPANET to the transformative impact of social media, mobile technology, and the rise of big data and AI. We explored how key figures like Tim Berners-Lee and Vint Cerf laid the groundwork for a connected world, and how platforms like Facebook and YouTube reshaped communication and information sharing. We also discussed the implications of emerging technologies like 5G and IoT, as well as the challenges of cybersecurity and the digital divide that we must address moving forward. As we wrap up, it's essential to recognize the profound influence the internet has had on our lives and the opportunities it continues to present. If you found this exploration insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might be interested in understanding the internet's history and future.